buat subscribe, like, comment, and share. Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, student? Okay, I hope you are in good condition, although we are in coronavirus. Okay, before we are entered to the class, let's pray together and pray begin. Okay, thank you. Okay, all my students, before we are entered to the class, I want to call you. Please say present. Okay, the first name is Anissa. Okay, and Judante. Okay, Sujit. Suijit. Anyone absent today? Okay, you are really great. Okay, all my students, before we enter to the material today, I want to ask you, okay, what do you do if you want to go to some place? What do you do if you want to go to some place? Apakah yang kamu lakukan ketika kamu hendak ingin pergi ke suatu tempat? Hayo, apakah yang kamu lakukan ketika kamu mau pergi ke suatu tempat? Siapa yang bisa menjawab? Okay, Jodante? Yes, you are really great. Okay, before you want to go to some place, you should to asking the direction to the people, to other people, right? Okay, for the material today is asking and giving direction. Asking and giving direction divided into two groups. The first group is asking direction and the second group is giving direction. Okay, and the example for asking the direction is, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to? And the second example, excuse me, do you know where is the blah blah blah? And I'm sorry, I'm looking for blah blah blah. Oke, jadi di sini itu ada asking direction, gimana kita menjelaskan atau meminta penjelasan kepada orang lain tentang petunjuk arah. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to? Jadi di sini permisi, bisakah kamu memberikan petunjuk arah ini begitu. Terus ada juga permisi, apakah kamu tahu di manakah tempat ini? Contohnya, kamu mau menanyakan di manakah tempat masjid atau hospital, kamu bisa menanyakan dengan ini, where is the hospital or where is the mosque and etc. And the last, I'm sorry, I'm looking for example, you looking for book office or etc. like that. And for information, in the first group, the asking direction, di permintaan petunjuk ini ada kata excuse me, I'm sorry, lalu juga ada kata, ada kata pardon sir, like that. Ini adalah bagian dari greeting. Jadi kamu harus meletakkan ini kata-kata seperti excuse me, I'm sorry, pardon sir, like this di kata-kata sebelum kamu menanyakan suatu tempat. Kenapa? Karena ini adalah sebuah greeting, sebuah kayak pembukaan gitu sebelum kamu membuka permintaan kamu untuk menjelaskan suatu tempat begitu. The second group is giving the direction to the other people. If the other people ask you to give the direction, you should to give like this. Turn right or turn left. Belok kanan atau belok kiri. Go straight, terus lurus. Cross the road, persimpangan. T-junction, pertigaan. Okay, for the example, you can see this map. If you want to go to the hospital, and your position in the train station, you should to go straight around 1,500 kilometer, and you should to turn left around 200 kilometer, and you can find the hospital around that place. Oke, dan ketika kamu nggak tahu di manakah tempat tersebut, kamu tinggal bilang, I'm sorry, I don't know the route of. I'm sorry, minta maaf, aku tidak tahu di manakah tempat jalan tersebut, begitu. Atau kamu bisa juga mengucapkan, sorry, I'm stranger here. Aku juga orang asing di sini. Jadi kamu kan tidak tahu arah di manakah tempat yang dia maksud, begitu. Okay, I think the material today is enough. Any question for you all? Okay. Is there any question? Okay, why? Okay, like this. If you want to go to some place, you should to asking the direction to the other people. The example, if you want to go to the other people, other place, you can say like this. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the hospital or the mosque, like that. Dan sebelum kamu menanyakan sesuatu, usahakan ada kata-kata excuse me, pardon, dan sebagainya. Dikarenakan ini emang bener-bener membutuh seperti greeting untuk kalian, untuk membuka percakapan di antara kalian berdua, begitu. Oke, jika tidak ada pertanyaan lagi, I want to explain you again, and you should to pay attention to me. The material today is asking and giving the direction, divided into two groups. There are asking the direction and giving the direction. And in giving the direction, for example, excuse me, could you tell me about how to get to mosque, or like that. And excuse me, do you know where is the hospital, or etc. I'm sorry, I'm looking for, like that. And you should to put the greeting, excuse me, I'm sorry, pardon, in front of what you say to the other people, like that. Kamu harus menempatkan excuse me ini di awal kalimat kamu sebelum kamu menanyakan sebuah tempat, begitu. Jika kamu tidak tahu di mana tempatnya, kamu bisa mengatakan, I'm sorry, I don't know the route of hospital, mosque, and etc. Or you can say, I'm stranger here. Aku juga orang asing di sini, jadi aku tidak tahu, begitu. The second group is giving the direction. You can say, turn right or left, belok kanan atau belok kiri, go straight, terus lurus, cross the road, persimpangan, T-junction, pertigaan, dan sebagainya, masih banyak lagi. Nah, di sini sebagai contoh kecil aja, kamu di posisi train station, kamu masih di stasiun di Jalan M. You want go to the hospital, and you can go straight around 50 kilometer, 1,500 kilometer, and you should to turn left around 200 kilometer, and you can see the hospital, like that. Before you giving the direction to the other people, you should to understand the way of the direction. The way of the direction is like north, east, south, and west, like that. Okay, any question? I think enough for my explanation. Okay, before we close our material today, let's pray together. Okay, enough. I hope you are study hard and reach your dream. Okay, I hope it's just if you found something from me, and the last I see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.